Hello children, welcome to all of you in my YouTube channel Getting Future Ready. This is the chapter Getting Future Ready, and I am your English teacher Mr. Devesh Singh. Today I am going to proceed the chapter, and I hope this is the last video of this chapter. Okay student, in the last video of this chapter you have read about a human robots Sophia, and we have discussed about many points like humanoids means a machine that look and behave like human beings. Here Sophia is also a social humanoids that works like human beings, and the scientist had operated everything in the body of this robot so that she can absorb everything like a human being. Unless this robot has lack of emotions and hurt, rest of the things are also operated in this robot. Now you see here, Sophia is a social humanoid robot developed by Hanson Robotics, Hong Kong. This is a robot named Sophia that is developed by the scientist Hanson Robotics. He belongs to Hong Kong. She was activated on 14 February 2016 and revealed to the public in March 2016 in Austin. This robot was activated on 14 February 2016, and this robot was revealed first time before the public in March 2016 in Austin, USA. Means you can say student that the robot the robot first revealing the first time it was sold before the public, means to say that the public launching of this robot was in 2016 in Austin, USA. Sophia can also more than 50 facial expressions. This robot has also great qualities. It can display, it can make more than 50 facial expression. Means facial expression, you know about that, when you make change your face in different mode, that is called facial expression, and this robot has power to ability to make change more than 50 times. Imitate several human gesture. It can also imitate, it can also read the human gesture, what is the gesture of the people who is standing before it, and hold a simple conversation. This is also a great quality of this robot, that it can also uh, hold a conversation for the people who is standing before him or who wants to talk with it. She has functional legs too, can walk like us. And the another quality of this robot, that it has also legs, functional legs, the legs that can walk properly like the human being. The use of rubber. What is the word rubber? Rubber is an elastic form of rubber invented by Hanson Robotics. Gives Sophia's face a lifelike appearance. Lifelike appearance means here you can understand that when uh, a scientist use rubber over the face of a robot, it gives an appearance of like a human being. So Sophia's face also look like appearance of human being. And computer algorithms and artificial intelligence AI allow her to recognize faces and voices. Now here we have to read what is computer algorithms. Computer algorithms means the method used by a computer, the method used by a computer to solve a problem step by step. Okay. So this software was operated in the robot, and this artificial intelligence allow the robot Sophia to recognize the face and voice, also to maintain eyes contact, and also process. Process means understand. Here, process means understand human speech, and also to understand the human speech. These all are ability was present in this machine, in this robot Sophia. Now, Sophia was conceptualized by David Hanson as a companion for the elderly in nursing homes and as a guide at large public places and events. First time this robot Sophia was conceptualized. Conceptualized means originally designed. It was originally designed by David Hansen as a companion for elderly people. वयस्क disabled लोगों के लिए first time it was designed, it was used in a nursing home, and after that it also began to work as a guide at a large public places and event. Means finally, now this robot was used the at a public place, at a nursing home, and in the many events. Sophia is the United Sophia is the United Nations Development Program's first ever innovation champion. And when there was a development program was held, Sophia got the first award, first innovation champion in the United Nations Development Program on the basis of its nice quality, on the basis of its good quality. As of now, Sophia can only answer a specific question based on predefined topics. Here, this is also another good quality of a Sophia. Uh, According to the software, when some predefined topics was kept before this robot, it can it could read it, and after that, when someone tried to ask those questions, definitely the robot was able to answer all the questions. But her range is expected to improve with further research, and the scientist has good expectation from this robot Sophia that this robot will also increase, it will also make development, it will also improve with further research. Sophia's popularity indicates that there will be more functional humanoids. Functional humanoids means robots that look like humans and have a special purpose. Means you can say that those robots who have a special purpose, and those robots that look like humans are called functional humanoids in the future, and that elements of science fiction may one day become a reality. Students, you can understand here that on the basis of good quality, Sophia's popularity by and by began to spread throughout the world, and it indicates that in the coming generation there will be various types of robots will be used in our country, also in the world, for the public servant, for the public helper, because science elements are also trying to produce different type of technologies, and this technology will be helpful to make different type of robots that will be a very nice moment to all of us. So I hope that this is the end of the chapter, and you can clear your concept to revise this chapter, and on the next time we will complete our exercise. I hope you will also learn your word meaning, because without word meaning it is impossible to learn the chapter properly. So you will also learn the word meaning, and also you will do your exercise. I will do it. I will also indicate you in the next class and the next video. Okay, till then you enjoy your time and revise your chapter. Goodbye.